Alright guys, welcome back to another Dead by Daylight video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the anti-speed build with features Urban Evasion, Hope, Sprint Burst, and Adrenaline. Urban Evasion because you get crouching speed, Hope because you get 7% of speed when all the gens are done. Sprint Burst because you already know what that does. You get speedy from that. And Adrenaline, which will give us extra speed when all the gens are done. That'll go well with Hope. And guys, I'm also sorry for not uploading as much. I haven't uploaded for 3 weeks. It's alright. I'm making a montage again, a duotage to be exact. I'm actually working hard on that. It's like the first thing I've ever worked on so hard. Besides, anyway, I hope you all enjoy the video, but let's try to get back to our original schedule. The Crotus Print Asylum. Oh yeah, I remember this old map. So we did get some new changes with some new UI or in-game HUD. New movement, I guess. And yeah, it's actually way better than the old animations, I guess. So I actually kind of like the old animations, but it's better than nothing. And we got new flashlight savings and stuff, and more. Oh, it's a hag. It's actually the hag. It's actually the hag. Out of anything, the hag. Why? Out of anything, the hag. She looks like she looks like the girl from Avatar. She looks like the girl from Avatar. Oh. The girl from Avatar returns as a killer. Oh my god. Oh god, please don't. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, you already got them? Wait, alright. Where is she? Alright, we got this. Oh my god. No, she's right there! Neil! You are joking me. Please, 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 please. Please, please. Are you freaking kidding me? I legit hate my teammates. Oh my god. Yui, that's a Cheryl. Cheryl, why? Cheryl. Oh wow, I beat you. I have to be a mercenary now. You? Where's... David's dead. It's gonna be really hard. It's gonna be like really hard to get to escape because it's only 3 people left and half of them are dead on hook. This is okay. I'm just gonna farm. All right. Get farmed. Get farmed. Get farmed. I'm such a bad teammate. Oh god, she after me. She's after me. Oh, she mad. Did she lose me? She gave up. What? 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 Why'd you give up? I'm legit dead on hook. Oh, David, behind you, dude. Alright, we should probably heal. Everyone's dead. Legit, everyone's dead on hook. Potato, potato, potato! Oh. Again, I don't want to talk about this! Alright, so hopefully, yeah, I'm dead. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anyway. I'm dead. Like, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't, yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. GG. Alright, let's hope we could get this build to actually work next game. The crew just ran Asylum again. Oh my god. This map is calling to me. Like, oh god. What? Bing bong. How? Dude, how? Oh my god, get off me. Yui's right there. Yui, get the Yui. You messed up so much. My voice. Oh god, my voice. My freaking voice. Oh god. You know, did he lose me? He lost me. How do you lose me? Caught it with the hits. Alright, I'll try to get in real quick. Nope, never mind. Alright, get farmed. Alright. No, not tunneler, no. I'm getting hit right here. Yeah, I had to get hit right there. Alright, I'm gonna try to loop you here. Okay, nope. You know what they say, if you're stuck on a loop, you can just always give up whenever you have the chance to. Why did I vault that? Oh, please don't, no. Oh. Wraith! How? Alright. Oh my god, you could have gotten that. You could have gotten that. Alright, no. I swear. If they wait until I'm in struggle again, I'm legit just gonna freaking DC. Oh. Where's the Wraith? Where is he? Oh god! Oh my god. I'm so fast! I'm so fast! I am so fast! Oh, that was smooth. Or not smooth, that was clean. That was a clean shot. Like, the most satisfying use of sprint burst I've ever seen in my life. Legit, the most satisfying. Glad you need heals. You need the heals. Oh god, he's right there. How did you miss? What? Oh. Oh. Please miss, please. Give up. No. No. Oh, just get off me. Go up to the quad again. Tunnel. Please, tunnel her. No. I have some. No, please, can I make it? No. Dead by Daylight. Fix hitboxes. I thought you fixed the desync. That's not even a desync. Fix hitboxes. This game is legit unfair. They're legit on the killer side. Oh my god. Rip. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna hide.
Let me in, please.
Okay, never mind. Someone's in there. Oh. Please get off me. Can I do this? Can I actually? Nope. Nope, he saw me. Nope. He saw me. Nope. He saw me. Yeah, I don't have DS because I freaking took it off. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I died. I didn't get to capture that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that was the anti-speed build. Okay, I'll try to make a part 2 of me actually using that build. But I'm planning to do builds for my channel. And yeah, thank you. And yeah, goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.